Hello guys, welcome to Programming with Asan. In our last tutorial, we have discussed briefly about the data types in Python. In this tutorial, we will discuss about list in details. Let's assign a list. We have assigned our list. Let's check the value again. We know that lists are ordered or sequence type and lists are mutable. As lists are ordered, we can retrieve the elements of list by index. We pass the index within square braces, right? We can get the third element here, which is 12 here, by using index of 2, right? So we can retrieve the 12 by typing list underscore a, and the index is 2. So we got 12 here. We can add element at the end of list by append function. Append function is a predefined function to add elements at the end of a list, and append is list specific. We have a 12 in index 2. Now we want to add another 12 at the end of this list. So we will use the function append like list underscore a dot append 12. We can check it list underscore a. So we found that we have another 12 at the end of our list. We can append mixed data type, like we can add a string element here along with other integer elements. So again, we can use the append function to add a string here, list underscore a dot append book, and let's check whether the book is added or not. List underscore a, hit enter. Yes, book is added. We can append another list as well, right? Let's check it. List underscore a, list underscore a dot append. We can pass another list 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 7 8 or whatever, and let's check whether it is added at the end of our list a, list underscore a. Yes, it is added. To delete an element, we can use pop function with an argument of index number. If we do not use any argument, pop will delete the last element. So if we use pop function here, it will delete our last added list. So we can check it, list underscore a dot pop. We pass no argument, and it returns that the last element is popped. So we can check our list a, list underscore a, and we find that our last element, that is list, is removed. Now we can check that if we use an index, what will be the result? Let's say we want to remove 5. So index of 5 is 1. We can type list underscore a dot pop, and the index is 1, right? And check again the list. So there is no 5. So 5 is removed. Let's talk about insert function. Append function adds element at the end of a list. But if we want to insert an element somewhere in the middle or beginning of a list, we can use insert function with argument of index number followed by the value of that element. So if we want to add back 5, we can use list underscore a dot insert. Then our index number will be 1 and the value will be 5, right? Let's check our list, list underscore a. Yes, we have added 5 at index number 1. If we want to remove book, we can use remove. That means if we want to remove an element by its value, we can use remove function with argument of that value. If there are multiple elements of same value, the function will remove the first one. So if we want to remove book here, we can write list underscore a dot remove book. Book should be removed. Let's check. List underscore a. Yes, book is removed. If we want to get index number of a value, we can use index function and pass the value as argument. That means list underscore a dot index. If we want to get the index number of 78, we can write here 78 and hit enter. So our 78 has the index number of 4. This method will provide the index of first element of given value. If we want to get the next element of same value, what we can do? Let's append -23 at the end of the list. And let's check again the list. So we get another -23 at the end of our list. If we want to get the index number of second -23, we can write our function like list underscore a dot index our value -23. We can pass the start position. So as first 23 is in third index, we can start from 4 and complete the function. Now we get 6 as the index number of next -23. Now if we want to get the number of elements with a given value that is present in a list, we can use count function with an argument of that value. So if we want to get how many 12s are here, we can use our function count like list underscore a dot count 12. We should get 2. Yes, we got 2. So there is 212 in our list. We can reverse a list with reverse function like list underscore a dot reverse. Our list is reversed. Let's check our list underscore a. So we get our list reversed. We can sort our list with sort function list underscore a dot sort. Our list is sorted. We can check that list underscore a and see we got our list sorted. Finally, we can remove all the elements from our list by using clear function list underscore a dot clear. The elements of our list is removed. We can check that list underscore a. We got an empty list. So this is all from today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please click the like button. Hope you see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, and as always, thank you for watching.